Open your woven bracelet gift and gather all items in the box. Weaver assembly method. Step 1. Flip the back. Step 2. View arrow direction. Step 3. Align it with the arrow direction. Step 4. After ensuring that the arrows are aligned, press firmly to engage the buckle. Select a pattern card and place it in the middle of your knitting machine. Align it with the numbers on the pattern card and the numbers on the knitting machine. To choose your color, you need to cut down a line of about 39 inches in the middle of the sample card. You can change the color of your chosen card as long as you use the same number. Pinch one end of each 39-inch rope you cut together to make them all aligned. Now your strings are in a group. Fold them in half, not about a half inch from the crease to form a circle. Place this ring in the central hole of the knitting machine. Pick out a line from the middle knot at a time. Align them with the matching color on the pattern card. Align the number on the pattern card with the number on the edge of the knitting machine, and place the line between the hooks. Once all the ropes are tied, gently pull the rope from the outer edge of the knitting machine, so that the rope will be tight and the knot ring will be preserved.